how to make group media visibility defaults on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make group media visibility defaults on WhatsApp. First then go to WhatsApp and then click on your group, like this group here, click on it and then just click here in the top and scroll down. Here you will find it, media visibility, just click on it and then all you need to do is just click defaults and click OK, and that's it. As you see now, just and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.